Hi and welcome. My name is Daniel from GMS Instruments, and today we're taking a closer look at the MCK kit, better known as the Marine Calibration Kit. So this kit is a staple in the maritime sector. It's been used by mechanics for pressure and temperature calibration all over the world, and we'll look at what's in the kit, how the quality is, and what the products inside are generally used for. So first, let me show you the case itself. The case is a very tough belly case with some options to lock it from the outside with holes for locks. And then also the wheels allow for easy transport across the ship or facility. And inside the case is a custom foam interior which can be adjusted to whatever needs to be inside. The standard parts are, in this marine calibration kit, an infrared thermometer, a pressure pump, both a digital and an analog pressure gauge, the temperature calibrator, and then adapters and seals to accommodate the fittings of the pump and the pressure gauges, so the most common thread sizes will fit to the pump and the pressure gauge you're going to test. Also, the certificates are of course included for the pressure gauges and for the temperature calibrator. So this case we have here is made for up to 60 bars of pressure and for vacuum for the pressure testing, and for up to 650 degrees Celsius for the temperature testing. So let me briefly show you how the process of testing equipment would go. For the temperature, the calibration block has to be plugged in, of course, at the front here and then turned on. And then you bring it up to temperature by setting the temperature with the buttons at the screen over here. The screen will show the setting temperature and the current temperature, and then after setting, it's important to already put the product that's going to be tested into the calibration block when you're heating it up, so that it will warm up with the block calibrator. And also make sure that the probe of the temperature equipment fits the sleeve at the top of the block, because that will transfer the temperature better. So if you need any specific diameters, these can be ordered along with the set to better fit the product you intend to test. And then to test the temperature equipment, you should bring the block up to several temperatures and check if the temperature equipment indicates the same, and then calculate the differences with what the block shows. And the percentage difference can then be compared to the measurement accuracy of the instrument, which is also in percentages most of the time, and then see if it's still maintained. If not, the instrument should be sent to a calibration facility. For operating the pressure equipment, you can also check out our video on pressure equipment, and you'll see the link above. But this short explanation is that your pressure equipment is connected to the pressure pump with the testing pressure gauge attached, after which you go through the same checking procedure as with the temperature equipment. So then, lastly, in the box is also the infrared thermometer. This can be used with the accompanying batteries, of course, to measure surface temperature, and it's a simple point and click thermometer that can be used to measure surface temperatures quickly to see if anything becomes too hot. And then this was our short explanation of the Marine Calibration Kit. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us or comment below. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for some more content.